Welcome to Kigali, UCI, Union Cyclist International World Championship happening in Kigali tomorrow, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cedric Ishimwe. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. But if you're new here, where have you been? Consider subscribe. And let me remind you that UCI Road World Championship are more than just another race. Guys, it's a World Cup, the Olympics of cycling. So to host these people, to host this tournament is to say that we are not on the margins. Actually, Rwandans, Africans, we are at the center of sports. Africa is not a footnote in sporting history, if I would say. Like, we are actually writing the chapter itself. And yet, Kigali is not on about Rwanda. Guys, probably you have time to go through around Kigali, but also travel countryside. If you want more videos about that, I have created so many videos on this channel, Kishokai Studio. Please check my YouTube videos and see the countryside of Rwanda. Not only Kigali, but even in the west, in east, in south, in the north. I've been in volcanoes, I've seen gorillas. Go check those things, right? On your eyes, like see them, But Kigali 2025 tomorrow, actually September 21st September, it's actually happening tomorrow, guys. It's not about it's not only going to be only the race, but a life of competitions. So the continent will be here, sizing its place in global sports. Africa, guys, allow me to speak about Africa. Let me remind you that Africa is the youngest continent in the world, full of untapped potential, for your own information. And cycling has already given us superstars, people from Eritrea. I'm a big fan of cyclists from Eritrea, bro. People from Ethiopia, people from Somalia, people from Zimbabwe, South Africa, Ghana, Uganda, Team Rwanda, guys. Team Rwanda. bro. So people, I have seen like people from Ethiopia, Eritrea have actually won the biggest in the major European race in a shocking global stage, if I would say. So imagine what Kigali 2025, actually tomorrow, September 2025, will inspire. Imagine how many young riders from north of Rwanda, from south of Eritrea, from west of Malawi, from central of Senegal, people from Cameroon, imagine these young riders will actually be rocking those jerseys. I don't know if they be these yellow jerseys, these jerseys they give to the first person, the winner. Imagine these young people, these young girls and boys seeing this. I think it will be the rainbow. It will be the rainbow jersey. Imagine these young people seeing that, and that could be me. That could be mine. After these competitions. So for the world, this event will be actually an eye-opening, if I would say. So fans from global cities, fans from Europe, fans from the United States of America, fans from Asia, will be actually tuning in, curious, probably, skeptical. What they see is not about race, but a spectacular of energy, the culture, the resilience of Rwanda, They will see our hills, if I would say, like filled with crowd of passionate people, passionate people dancing, cheering with each other. They will see the continent alive with pride, denying every stereotype. Of course, challenges remains. Rwanda's roads and infrastructure will be tested like never before, guys. And I think we have prepared enough, to do what seems impossible but necessary to move our country forward. So the logistics of welcoming thousands of athletes, officials, government officials, funds from across the globe are huge, coming here. I've seen like 2 weeks to come. Some of them have actually have been coming, since two weeks ago, But Rwanda has actually, already proven its ability to do this. Let me remind you that Rwanda, Kigali, we've been hosting Commonwealth heads of government meeting. We've been hosting hubs, Kigali is actually a hub for international conferences. We've been hosting sports tournaments, IT, AI events, government events, security meetings, international meetings. Kigali actually has both the reputations of delivering, great services. So, hands down, UCI Road World Championship wouldn't have actually choose Rwanda if it was not ready. We are ready, guys. We are ready, and we are very excited to host you. And you are most welcome. Enjoy what you have here. Take some time, talk to the local people, right? Talk to us. Subscribe to our channels. Eat our food and enjoy ourselves, here. So guys, you might actually think about why this guy is actually showing us, why am I not showing you guys Kigali Height, Kigali Convention Center, BK Arena? I've seen so many YouTubers showing those places, right? That's why I've actually gone to the place where there'll be no, the rest, the cyclists will not pass through, right? And I was actually doing inspections of some of the segments where there'll be no UCI 2025 September race. They will not, they will not pass through in this place for, to clarify that. So if you want to go, if you want to see Road World Championship races, cycling people, go to Kigali Height as well as the other place, Kimihurura. They not pass in city center. No, not city center. Kichuchiro. I don't know if you know Kichuchiro. I was actually cutting through. I was actually cutting through this place in Remera. This place is called Nyagatovu. Showing you around, right? And probably I'll pass through Kigali Convention Center and BK Arena to show you where the race will actually start and end, right? What I've heard, there'll be 2 kilometers drop on the climb in town, and it will be part of main elite category. But for them to be able to pass through that, they have to go through a lot, if I would say. They have to go through hell and back. Yeah, so for your own information also, schools will be closed for entire week during this tournament. Some speed humps have been actually removed and the road have been actually painted. Police are ready, the restaurants are ready, the service people, the people who are actually working at the airport, drivers, motorcyclists, fans across Kigali, Kigalians, we are ready. ready to host this event, and I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video.